if we don't repair, it will repeat. I am the founder of DC Consultants and Bansal's Dental Care Center. So, by education, I am a dentist, and by passion, I am a business trainer and coach. So, both the organization I am managing parallelly past 25 years. At Bansal's Dental Care Center, we do customized sessions or customized treatment plans for our patients, and at DC Consultants we are doing customized training and business coaching where we set strategies for business owners and training for the employees, because people are assets and people are also the challenges. So how to deal with these business challenges, we strategize action plans for business owners. So when we talk about business networking, it is most important because there's a VCP process I can talk about. That is the visibility. The C stands for you need to cultivate, and then profitability comes. So it is said that you have to be on the mind, because out of sight is out of mind. And to be on mind of your clients, you need to network. For young entrepreneurs, I like to say that whatever you start, complete it or finish it. Don't leave it in between, because anything you start, that's your baby. So you cannot leave your baby in between.
मेरी कहानी, कहानियों की इस मुहिम में आइए अब विस्तार से जानते हैं इनके कार्य एवं प्रेरक अनुभवों के बारे में।
So myself, Dr. Rashmi Bansal. So I am the founder of DC Consultants and Bansal's Dental Care Center. So by education, I am a dentist, and by passion, I am a business trainer and coach. So both the organization I am managing parallelly past 25 years. At Bansal's Dental Care Center, we do customized sessions or customized treatment plans for our patients, and at DC Consultants we are doing customized training and business coaching where we set strategies for business owners and training for the employees, because people are assets and people are also the challenges. So how to deal with these business challenges, we strategize action plans for business owners. So when we talk about business networking, it is most important because there's a VCP process I can talk about. That is the visibility. The C stands for you need to cultivate, and then profitability comes. So it is said that you have to be on the mind, because out of sight is out of mind. And to be on mind of your clients, you need to network. So it is not just the skill of extroverts, but introverts also make good network. Their networking skills are there with introverts also, because they listen properly. So whenever you go to a networking event, strategize before going to the event that what is the outcome you're expecting from that event, because you're going to put your money, your efforts, your time. So you need to have what is the outcome you expect from that outcome. So strategize before. During the networking event, what is important is to be authentic. Be authentic and have proactive communication with people you want to. Don't just give cards to people, but do something do they remember you, that whom they have met. And after that, the VCP, C is credibility. You have to be authentic, create value add so that you create your credibility. And P stands for profitability. Profitability is not just for you, but for the people you are meeting. And after the networking event, what is important is follow-ups, which people usually forget. So you need to follow up immediately so that the person remembers you, that you have met and what conversation you had. And then you can make research says that you can have 8 follow-ups before you get the business. So this is how strategically you build your network, and it is always compared to a spider. Spider builds up the network. The outline is formed, and then below the strands are there, and the spider sits in the center to catch the prey. So they attract you, they don't chase the prey, they attract. So networking strategies also say that build the network properly with stability and effectiveness so that the prey is attracted, and then you get profitability for you and the person himself. So when we talk about Agroha, the basic of Agroha is relationship first. So when relationships are built up, then see, when you sow a seed, you need to nurture, and then only you get the fruit. You can't get the fruit immediately you sow the seed. So what is happening in between is you're building the relationship. You are nurturing. Nurturing can only happen when you have communication, you connect with people. So what is Agroha doing is creating that network of where you connect with people. So there could be people who will give you direct contacts whom you can build up upon, or they can also refer you to somebody else. Because when we talk about building a network, there could be people who know more people. So Agroha is connecting you to those people who might know more people, so that will increase your reach. Second thing is Agroha providing you with the people who are the gatekeepers, or they know the decision makers, so that you get business from the decision makers and time is taken less, because you go from one person to another person to third person and then you reach the decision maker, time is gone. So Agroha is giving you a platform where you can connect with the decision makers and you get the business faster. So that is what the connects and the relationships Agroha is going to give you. And on pan-India basis, imagine that you are going not only here, but there are connects of international clients also you're going to get through Agroha. I was born and brought up in Nagpur, and I'm into, as I said, I'm a dentist and a business coach and trainer. So there was nobody to guide me, because dur dur tak koi nahi hai. Neither in my family anybody was doctor, and neither in my family from maternal or paternal side nobody was into training and coaching. So I had no direction. So there are hardly any people who doesn't use a Google map now, right? So before that, we used to step ahead of a house and ask people whether to go left, whether to go right, and that was time consuming. To stop every now and then, every square, now we use a Google map. So, and we blindly trust. And if you're going wrong, we take a U-turn. But for me, there was nobody to guide me to take a U-turn, where to go right or left. So when I used to read a lot and understand, and from my experiences, and it is always better to learn from others' mistakes than making your mistakes. So I thought that why not share it with people? So whatever I have learned, my goal is to share it with people, make a difference to others' life, a value addition. If that is done, then my job is fulfilled. So that is the objective, whether in dentistry or whether you talk of business training or coaching. There are two books which are dear to my heart. The one is by Robin Sharma. It is The Saint, The Server and The CEO. It's the best book I have ever read, and I have read it around 8 to 10 times, and I still keep reading, because everything you cannot grab in a stretch. So it talks about that: have you lived well, have you loved well, and have you served well? So the saint, the surfer, and the CEO. So it is helpful for everyone. So that is one book. Another book is I Am Another You. So whenever I see somebody into my shoes, I can step into their shoes and say that, yes, I am another you. And I have brought this business in 25 years parallelly. If I can do, even you can do it. The best quote that keeps me going is, if you don't repair, it will repeat. So anything in your personal or professional life, try to repair if you don't want it to be repeated. For young entrepreneurs, I like to say that whatever you start, complete it or finish it. Don't leave it in between, because anything you start, that's your baby. So you cannot leave your baby in between. Don't get attracted, don't get distracted. Be agile and follow the path which you have started, because why is the golden circle. So whenever you get a put down, it is said that either you chunk down, chunk laterally, or chunk upwards. So chunking down is going to the root cause. So if things are not working in your business as a startup, chunk down, what is the root cause? Chunk laterally, if this is not working, then what are my options? And chunk up, why did you start? That is the golden question. So if you can follow this, you can move ahead. Since childhood, we have been given two images, and to find out what is the difference between the two images. Have you ever been given an image, two similar images, and found out the similarities between the two? Kabhi nahi hota. So our mind is trained to find out differences, not the similarities. So what Agroha is trying to build up is what is common, what is similar between people, so that what is similar over here is the community. So that is the common point to give you a business. However, you have to be authentic, because just being part of the community is not going to get you business. You have to build up that credibility, and that is going to, so look for in person, in people also, your team also. As a business owner, look for what is the similarity between you and other people, and always remember in business that you can do everything. However, can't do everything. You will need people to help you out, and you need to first identify those and then connect with those people. Thank you for watching मेरी कहानी. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
दोस्तों, निश्चित ही इनके अनुभवों एवं विचारों से आप प्रभावित हुए होंगे। आशा करते हैं इनकी भावनाएं आपके दिल तक जरूर पहुंची है और इनकी सोच ने निश्चित ही आप पर एक सकारात्मक प्रभाव डाला है।
अगर आपको इनकी कहानी पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें।
आप भी बन जाइए भारत की प्रोफेशनल कम्युनिटी की आवाज
और सुनाओ अपनी कहानी, बनाओ अपनी पहचान की इस मुहिम से जुड़कर अपने जीवन के अनुभवों, कार्य क्षेत्रों और अपने उत्पादों एवं सेवाओं के पीछे की वास्तविकता से देशवासियों को प्रेरित करें और अपने जीवन के अनुभवों से अपनी एक नई पहचान बनाएं। Tell your story, inspire and build your brand with the power of video.
जय हिंद, जय भारत।